Okay, we are back with another video. I'm absolutely exhausted right now because I've been up for like 24 hours straight trading meme coins and just started with a degen portfolio, turning a really small amount of money into see how high I can flip this. So I'm up 2.5x right now in the last 24 hours trading meme coins. And I want to tell you guys, if you guys have a small bag, if you're sub like 10K, sub 20K in this bull run and you want to turn a small amount of money into a huge amount of money, you're not going to do it. Listen to these influencers selling you buy Bitcoin, buy Ethereum, buy HBAR, buy XRP. Like, no, unsubscribe to any of those people because they're going to lose you money. If you want to make money in this, if you want to make small amounts of money into huge amounts of money, you need to be playing the narratives, and they're AI and they're meme coins right now. And I'm not talking meme coins like Dogecoin and SHIB because, yeah, they're going to do extremely well. But we're talking about meme coins that are just launching now, that are getting these narratives, and they're doing like 50x's, 20x's daily. And how I'm going to show you how I've caught a couple of these and how you can do the same. So not financial advice, but let's dive into it right now. So you can see a couple of these memes I'm even late to. Look how long this melon initially launched in December, and then it spent 400 days, or sorry, 67 days, 68 days down here at the price at like $1 million market cap. When you could have got melon down here $1 million, and now we're up at 48. So you have 48x on this play, and this is a meme I think is going to go higher and higher. I'm actually not in a position here, but what I'm going to teach you today is how I'm showing you this could be a good buy for melon here. Yeah, we're not going to get 1 million to 48x on this, but could this go to like $500 million market cap? Yeah, I definitely think so, the way meme coins are going. So I've converted all these charts to market cap because it's easier when you're trading meme coins to be able to compare how high they can go if you're looking at this in terms of market cap. So here we have Trump, which we caught extremely early if you're on this channel. And I've been looking to, I've not taken profits yet, but I've been looking at where I can even add back into this position and take some of the profits I've made. Like I said, are 2.5x my portfolio, trading some degen stuff. I want to put it into coins I'm looking to hold for the bull run. Trump, I'm going to hold it till the election week. So you can see here at market cap, this got all the way up to 450 million market cap. I actually got to above 500, but there at that price, it hit some resistance because people would have been thinking of 500 million. I'm going to take profits 500 million. When it got up there, there was a lot of sell pressure and we came back down. So next time Trump gets back up here at 500 million, I expect to see the same, a little bit of sell pressure here, but then I think it's going to rocket to the a billion market cap. Here we have some buy-ins come back in at 300 million. If we just change this, yeah, 300 million. We've found some support here in the past, and here people are thinking, oh, Trump bounced here in the past. 300 million seems like a fair price for where we are in the meme coin cycle, especially for Trump. Then when you look at Doge and SHIB last cycle, and they went to like a 20 billion mean market cap. So I think this can absolutely rocket. But we want to look at this in terms of RSI. The RSI is now shifted bearish. We're below the 50 center line. So I'm going to wait for confirmation. This is on the 4-hour for us to come back down here. Maybe we're going to get a cheaper price. Maybe we're going to get a 250 million, a 200 million Trump. I would be honestly selling a lot of these meme coins. Well, I'm trading them now into this position and riding this back up because I'm very bullish on this long term. Some of these meme coins, I'm not. Dave Portnoy's dog, Peaches. I've been in this. I caught this initial pump, didn't take enough profits, and it ran up massively. So done the 5x there from 500 million market cap, ran up all the way to 2.5 market cap. Here we had the sell-off, but I've been adding into this position here, and I'm not going to take profits, but I'm going to start taking profits up here 1 million because we had this breakout. We got all the way down to 250 million market cap, and people thought, oh, this is now becoming a reasonably fair priced. I'm going to buy back in here, and we have broken out to the upside. So whenever Dave Portnoy, he's posting about his dog, and I know it's going crazy. Like, girls are loving it. So if girls can come in and start buying this Peaches coin, I think this could absolutely send. Shout out to Forrest from Sistine Research, called this one our early CFA. I bought back in originally down here, but then I was we had this dump and then this pump back up to the original price, and I thought, nah, this project's dead. Sold the majority and rebought back in, rode this pump up, and I've taken 50% of the profits here. However, I am still riding this bag, a moon bag. But here we have this back retest of this trend line. So this is actually a bearish pattern unless we can reclaim above this. So perhaps it would be a good position to take some profits here. I'm happy with the bag I took from this, the profits I made from this, so I'm letting this run. Birddog, relatively new, and this was one of them I made a little profit on yesterday. We got in here Birdcoin at around 4 million market cap and then sold our initial at 7.5, and then we've rebought back in, but I'm holding this for much higher. I'm thinking 20-30 million on this. I was actually looking for the breakout here, but we failed. We had this ascending triangle here at 7.5 million market cap. There'd be a lot of sellers. This is going to be a big level for us to beat. But I think when we get above here, if we get a 4-hour close above here or a 1-hour close above here, I think we're going to rocket all the way up to the 10 million market cap, which would be, 33% move. So a huge trade there in the line. If we can come back down here at 5 million market cap and get entries, all the better. 5 million. I'm going to be buying this down because I think the dev team and the devs left, and I think the community takeover, I think this is going to do big things. Looking at momentum, you want to trade meme coins on momentum, and you don't need a $4,000 course to tell you this. What you want to do is you want to find the people to, first off, the narratives, and the narratives you can just get by. You don't have to look at a meme coin. What would a meme coin? If I was a meme coin, what would I be? Right? No, you don't have to do that stuff. That's just stupid and a waste of time. You don't have to think that you've come up with the new meme coin and, I like this one. No, that's irrelevant, because then you're going to become tied to the price. You're going to be tied to the meme coin, and you don't want to be emotional about, I like this one. Oh, it's dead. No, this is just money. We're here to make money, not financial advice. So what we do is we just follow the influencers that are shilling these coins, get in early, and then look at the charts. Do the charts look good? Is the momentum there? And I'm going to show you how we can look at the momentum on this, how we can track it, how we can ride the momentum when it's bullish, get out when it's bearish, and then you can add back in if you want. But the most important thing is you make money, not financial advice, and you secure the bag. You don't want to be holding this thing back down to zero. So as soon as the momentum turns bearish, you're out. I don't want to hold meme coins for the cycle. And yes, some of them they're a million market cap now. Some of them are going to go to 1 billion. But the majority aren't. And the most important thing is you just make your money so that those like Trump that you're sure of, you can hold for a longer period of time and really let the money work for you. So this Tyrell was just shilled by a big crypto influencer. And here we had the order block down here. This is what they were saying. Price came back to the order block, filled and bounced massively. So I am in this trade up. I didn't get in quite on the bounce. I think I got in here. And so I'm up 30% on that move. So I'm going to the gym. I maybe will be taking profits. I've not looked at the position fully. So we're above 2.5. Where's 5 million? I think the resistance here will be 5 million. So that's where I'd look to sell. So another huge part of a move here. So how did I do this? Easily. I just followed on Twitter. So if you go follow me at that trader guy _ look at who I'm following, and I'm following these influencers that are shilling these projects. And what I do when I see this, I think, oh, this is a good project. I go and chart it. Is the momentum bullish? Do I buy it or not? That's exactly what I do. This is the exact tweet. And that's why I looked into this altcoin. This influencer caught it early. And happy days. I caught on board the train. And then thanks for this guy, Tyler Durden, made a bit of money there. Not secured it, but I will before I go to the gym shortly. When we look at things in terms of momentum, this is what I'm going to show you here. We can look to ride the trend when the momentum is bullish and then get out when the momentum is bearish. And if I just change this RSI, so you can see this thick line, this 50 line is the most important thing. And I'm not going to charge you guys $4,000 for this course and tell you buy the news releases and then get in and then get the third wave. No, nonsense. What you want to do, things might go in 3 waves, but there's just 3 pumps in altcoins. Obviously, there's an initial pump and then there's a dump, and you're just trying to avoid that. But what you can do here to really protect your account is ride the momentum, and you want to do that using momentum-based indicators. So RSI, MACD, Awesome Oscillator, and these guys can really show you is a momentum bullish or bearish. If we look here at the center line, the 50, and I'll change this to yellow so you can see better. People use the RSI, I think, incorrectly, especially the standard 14. They're using this, here I'm oversold, sell. And if you'd have sold here at 2 million, you'd have missed the run up to, 40 million. So nightmare if you use the RSI that way. And let me just take this off logarithmic to show you for a second. So I've changed here, Andy, to this trend line. Let's move out of the way. You can see here, momentum is not broken below this yellow line. So the momentum has always stayed bullish on here. And the momentum, when it gets overextended, what it has to do is it can't stay overextended for a long period of time. It has to eventually cool back off down to the 50 level here. where it's either going to break below, it's turned bearish, and you'd be out your position. If we did that around 10 million market cap, and then you could have rebought lower, or at least you've protected your asset, protected your money, or the momentum's going to reset on the 50 and continue upwards again to get to the extremes. And that's exactly what happened here. So we would have got our entry here at 12 million, rode this all the way up to 30 million, so over a 2x there. Came back down here. The momentum was on the 50 level again, so you could have had your entries here. We're not closing below. If you'd have seen some bullish price action here on the lower time frames, you could have got your entry. And then what happened? The momentum worked its way up to the overextended again, at which point, when it got all the way up here to 50 million and the oscillator was oversold, we had to eventually cool off. So what happens? It come back down here to the 50, and now we are on it. But at least we've got down below, or kind of petering about, so you'd look for some positive price action here. Is this going to break below the 50? And is the momentum going to be bearish? And we want to lock in our profits? Or is this going to bounce here off the 50 and make our way to another extreme? At which point, this would be a great entry on Andy. When we couple this with, let's do the logarithmic. I've been tracking this line of symmetry on Andy for some time. You can see it just marries up really nicely to this trend line. And every time we've come down here to the 50 level, we have bounced when we've held this trend line. If I go back to the hour. So you can see every time we've come down here to this 50 level on the RSI and we've been above our trend line, we've had nice entries here on the RSI when we've held this trend line. However, now we've broken below this trend line. So it's just a case of, are we going to recover this 50 level, at which point, and this trend line, at which point Andy would be a good buy. And I think this will go to 50 million, 75, 100 if we do recover this and momentum stays bullish. But if we stay down below here, I think Andy's going to give us cheapest prices, around 20 million. So that's where I'm looking to buy back in now. You can see we have a nice level here of support and resistance. Where we've held this as resistance in the past, resistance, support, support, and then we've not retested this since we broke out. So let me know, guys, what altcoins did I miss? Obviously, there's Pepe, there's Dog with Hat. What altcoins are you guys holding? What are you bullish on? Are there any new ones? There's CFA is a new one I'm looking at. So like and subscribe, guys. Just a quick video today to show you what I'm looking at to really flip these small investments into large investments. Cheers, guys.